I think our new classmate is coming today. I feel a little excited. Good morning, class. We have a new student, Leo, who just moved here to study. Hi, Leo. It is very nice to meet you. I hope you like our school. Okay, Leo, go ahead. Hello, I am Leo, and I am very happy to meet all of you here today. Leo, please take a seat in the empty desk right next to Emma for now. I hope Leo feels comfortable. He seems like he might be a very nice boy. Let us begin our reading practice by looking at page 10 in our English books. I really enjoy reading new stories, especially when we learn about interesting things together today. This is a big school. I hope I can make some good friends very soon. Are you finished with the reading exercise, Leo? It is quite easy once you start. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. Yes, I am finished. That's great, but I still have many new words to learn in English. You'll get there. I know you will. Do not worry. I can help you with your new words after our class finishes. Great work today, class. Now please put your books away. It is finally lunchtime now. My favorite sandwich? I am so hungry. I cannot wait to eat my lunch now. Hi, Leo. Do you have your lunch today, or did you forget it at home? I left it at home. Don't worry. I'll share mine with you. No, I am very sorry. I completely forgot to bring my lunch to school today. That must be difficult, Leo. Being hungry at school is never a fun feeling. I am okay. I will just wait until I go home to eat my dinner. Are you sure? I have plenty of food, and friends should always share their lunch. Really? Ow! Thank you so much, Emma. That is truly very kind of you. Of course I am sure, Leo. Please have half of my lunch with me today. Oh, Emma, thank you so much. You're the best. Thank you, Emma. This tastes very good. I am feeling much better now. It is so wonderful to see Emma and Leo sharing lunch and helping each other kindly today. It's delicious. Thank you. To be good friends, teacher, I think it is important. Yes, that is very important. Yeah, it is. You are right, Emma. Kindness makes our classroom a much better place for everyone. I really appreciate your help, Emma. I feel much more ready for our next lesson. You're welcome, Leo. I'm ready too. You are very welcome, Leo Conjedson. I am glad that I could help you today. Me too. Okay, class, please settle down, and we have a very exciting activity planned for this afternoon. I wonder what the activity is. I hope it is something fun. Me too. I always love our afternoon activities. They are usually very creative.
Today, we will be working on a group project, and I have all the materials we need right here. I love group projects, and this is going to be so much fun to do with everyone. I want you to work in groups of 2. Emma, Leo.
This is great. I am very happy to be in a group with both of you. Me too. This is going to be a perfect team. Then let us start our project right now.
I want each of you to create a beautiful collage representing your favorite place.
My favorite place is a quiet park near my old house.
That sounds nice. I love parks too. Maybe we can include a playground in our collage.
A playground is perfect. Let us make some trees and flowers to go around it. This is really Kylie coming together. You two are great partners.
I love how you are all cooperating and sharing ideas for your project.
We still need to add a swing set. I have a great idea for how to draw it. Go ahead and draw it, Danny. Your drawings always look so bright and colorful. Thanks, Emma. I will.
I never knew school projects could be this much fun when you are with friends. You have 10 more minutes to finish your masterpieces, so please add your final touches now.
Almost finished. This bird makes the park look so lively. Done! Our park is gonna be the most colorful one in the entire classroom. We did it! It looks even better than I imagined it would.
Excellent teamwork. You have captured the joy of a park perfectly.
I am so happy we worked together, and this was the best group project ever. Yeah! Woohoo!
Yeah! I love how you are all cooperating and sharing ideas for your project. We still need to add a swing set. Toadette, I have a great idea for how to draw it.
Go ahead and draw it, Danny. Your drawings always look so bright and colorful. Thanks, Emma. I will.
I never knew school projects could be this much fun when you are with friends. You have 10 more minutes to finish your masterpieces, so please add your final touches now.
Almost finished. This bird makes the park look so lively. Done. Our park is gonna be the most colorful one in the entire classroom. We did it! It looks even better than I imagined it would.
Excellent teamwork. then you have captured the joy of a park perfectly.
I am so happy we worked together, and this was the best group project ever.
Class, it is time to clean up our supplies, and please put everything back into the bins.
Helping out is easy when we all work together as a team.
You're absolutely right, Danny. Thanks for all your help.
Oh, I really enjoyed that project. It was the highlight of my day. Me too. I feel much more settled and happy in this class now.
You are all very responsible. Thank you for your hard work today. That bell means the school day is over, and I will see you both tomorrow morning.
Oh, do you all have any big plans for the long weekend? I am gonna play soccer with my cousins. It should be a blast. I'm just gonna read my new book. I really want to finish it by Sunday.
That sounds wonderful. To 10, let's meet up again on Monday morning to tell stories. Have a safe and happy weekend, everyone. See you all on Monday morning here.
I hope you both have a very relaxing weekend. See you on Monday morning. Thanks, teacher.
Bye-bye.
I am so excited to meet my friends again. It feels like a long time.
Emma, you would not believe how many goals I scored during my soccer game today.
No way! Tell me everything!
That is amazing! You must have been running all over the big field today.
I sure was! Good morning, everyone! Yes, Yan! I finished my book. It was such a great adventure to read.
Welcome back! I hope everyone had a very refreshing weekend and is ready to learn. Today we are starting a unit on geography, exploring different countries on our big map. Are we going to learn about the jungle? Because I love to see exotic animals. We certainly will, along with deserts, mountains, and all the oceans of the world today.
I want to visit the mountains someday. They look so peaceful in all the pictures. I want to see the ocean, and I have only ever seen it in my books.
Today, we will identify major continents on our world maps. Please take your pens.
This is gonna be like an art project. I love geography so very much. Look, I am painting Africa yellow, but it looks very sunny on our big paper map. Being careful makes the map look much more accurate for all the class to see.
You are doing excellent work. And keep paying attention to those borders on your colorful maps. We are working so fast!
Yes! We might finish before the bell rings for our lunch.
Teamwork makes the geography lesson much faster and more fun for everyone in this class.
I am very impressed with your curiosity and effort today, class. Wonderful job indeed, everyone. Now, let us discuss how the deep oceans connect all the continents on our map.
Does the vast ocean have an end? Or does it just keep going on forever?
It is very vast, Leo, and it connects people all across our big round globe.
Wow, thank you.
That is amazing! So we are all connected by the same blue water every day. Exactly, Emma. It is important to remember how we are all part of one world. It may look small, but it is a very big part of our story. I wonder what it is like to live on an island in the middle.
Maybe we can read a book about islands during our next reading session tomorrow.
That is a wonderful idea, Emma. Let us plan that for our next session. I am very proud of how well you all worked together in class today. I am so glad we are learning about the whole world together in class. Me too, it's the best.
Me too. I feel like I have learned so much already with you both.
Rio! I am so proud of how well you all work together in this class.
See you tomorrow, teacher. We will have so many more stories to share then. Yes, Emma. Until tomorrow. How about a game of tag on the playground during our recess tomorrow afternoon? That sounds like a great plan. I am ready for it. And very fast, too. This has been the best week ever. I love coming to school every day. School is much more fun when we are learning things with our best friends.
Learning is a journey, and I am so happy we are taking it together. I am so happy that we are all learning together in this special place.
Please hit the like button and subscribe for more fun learning adventures with us today. Yeah, subscribe now.